Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Take a look at this Flux webinar demo. We have a register now button that when I click on it, a pop-up appears for registration. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create this call to action using Depicter pop-up. In WordPress dashboard, head to plugins, then add new plugin. Search for Popup in the search bar, then install and activate Depicter. In Depicter dashboard, go to the Popup category, then the Grow Email List subcategory. Choose a template and import it. Claim this 100% discount right now before someone else does and leave a comment to let everyone know you've claimed it. Otherwise, Depicter Pro will be removed from your account. Back to business. Let's customize this pop-up. In stock photos, I'll just search conference. I like this image. I'll just drag it onto this pop-up, and as long as I see this square icon, it means that the image is gonna replace this one as the background. Change the content of the texts along with the fonts. Also change the color of this button over here. We're done customizing. Head to Publish and in Display Rules, click on Configure. Go to Triggers and enable Click. Here you should input the CSS class of the button that you want your pop-up to show after the visitor clicks on it. So let's pause for now. I have created a CSS class to input here. To do that, in your page, click on Edit with Elementor. Scroll to the button you want your pop-up to appear when clicked on and select it. In Advanced Settings, head to CSS Classes and give it a name. I'm naming it Register. Make sure to publish. Now input the CSS class you just created, prefixed with a dot. Save and close. Then publish. Let's head back to our website to see how it works. Now, as you see, when I click on this button, a pop-up will appear asking me for my email. Let's enter an email and sign up. If you want to see the email list gathered from that pop-up, all you have to do is go to Leads in Depicter dashboard and see the emails here. Alright, that's it everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know in the comments what you think. Ciao!